It's coming across. See the shit? Oh shit.
You better pull
I am.
dog.
I am. It's like right in front of us. It's right here.
Oh shit.
I'm on 4th Street. There is a tornado going across the highway at 4th Street as we speak. It's fucking bending. Lights are coming back on. It's right here, guys. Look, we're right next to it. The van's fucking rocking like a motherfucker. Oh shit.
Damn.
Power flashes. I'm trying to let it go by before I fucking go anywhere.
Back up a little bit, dude.
I ain't backing up. It's going that way. It's right there. Look. We are right on this motherfucker. It's hitting us. Guys, we need to get away. Get me away from this fucking window. Give me a coat or something. Here. Oh shit. We're out. I'm in the middle of this bitch. I'm getting hit.
Oh, dude.
That train got fucking turned over in front of me. I'm alright.
Ah.
Y'all got that on video?
I'm getting that.
Yeah.
I'm taking a picture of it.
It's going past us. We're alright.
Holy fuck. I hope that dude's okay.
Alright. Yeah, we gotta go help this guy. Hold on. I've gotta help this guy to the truck. He just flipped, the whole fucking semi just overturned. Yeah, he's on the side. Alright, I'll call you later. Bye. It's coming across. See the shit? Oh shit.
You better pull
I am.
dog.
I am. It's like right in front of us. It's right here.